Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this international universal travel adapter for more than 150 countries with 3 USB-A ports, 1 Type-C and 1 AC socket to charge 5 devices simultaneously. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Okay, we've got manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Oh, there it is. It's USB, it is 2.4 amp, Type-C with a power delivery 30 watt. We've got a fuse here. You can replace it because it has a replacement fuse at this position. Total 2 fuses. Nice. The max power it is 1920 watt at 240 volt or 800 watt at 100 volt. You can use the European socket. Nice. You can use the UK socket or the USA AUX plug. You can use it for China, Australia, New Zealand, America, Canada, Japan, Taiwan, all these countries. So many countries, more than 150 countries. I like it, it's very convenient. It is small, definitely portable, because that is the reason you are buying something like that. When you are traveling, you need to have all the adapters in one device. And we've gotten the USB-A Type-C output. That is thumbs up, I like it. You can charge simultaneously 5 devices, 4 here and another device here. Just plug it in your power adapter, your power port. You can charge your laptop, whatever device you have. Well, for me, I will use the Europe adapter. Plug it in here. We've got the blue LED indicator. And I can plug any power adapter for charge my device. This is an Apple power adapter for my iPhone. I can plug this for multiple exits. This is European or UK. And USA, of course, adapter, Australia, China, Taiwan, and more. Now, I would like to see how long it will take to charge my smartphone from the Type-C or the USB-A. Okay, now here I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 with my smartphone devices. I will connect all these devices at this adapter. First, I will connect my Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, and we can see it says fast charging 1% and in 1 hour and 32 minutes until fully charged. I like it. Good time. If I will use the regular charger from Samsung, the 25 watt, it takes about 1 hour and 47 minutes. With this adapter, it can charge it faster. Nice. Now, I would like to try and charge it from the Type-A. Connect the Type-A here, remove that, and connect Type-C at my smartphone. See how long it will say. Now, from the Type-A, it says 2 hours and 11 minutes until fully charged. There it is. It takes longer. That's why it is better to use all the time the Type-C output with a power delivery 30 watt. Okay. And I would like to try and see how much power goes out from here. Connect the Type-A. The Type-A, and again 2 hours and 10 minutes, and we can see 5 volt, 1.7 amp, and 8.5 watt power consumption. Okay, nice. Use it from the Type-C. Let's see if we have any time. Connect the Types here. Okay, and it says 9 volt, 1.5 amp, 14 watt. We can see the numbers, correct? We've got fast charging, 1 hour and 30 minutes until fully charged. Type-C, again, it is faster. Now let's unplug all that and connect all the devices. Okay, another one. We've got my tablet, my other smartphone, and the power bank. Simultaneously charging 4 different devices, and of course you can plug in here another one. All that. Very convenient. And we can see at the smartphone it says again the same time, fully charged in 1 hour and 28 minutes. It doesn't matter if I'm going to connect all the devices at these USB-A ports. Well, I like it. It is very useful. Definitely you will enjoy having this universal USB travel charger and use it at any time, at anywhere, at any place of the planet Earth. Thumbs up. If you want to buy it, you can check down below to the description. There is a link. Just click it and find more information and where you can buy it. Until my next video, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye, guys.